Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change default comment sort on Reddit. Maybe you want to tailor your comments browsing experience to your preferences. So today I'm going to show you how to change default comment sort on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, scroll up, and under Advanced section, you will now see this default comment sort option. Since you wanted to change the default comment sort, simply tap on this option. A menu will appear below with several options including Best, Top, New, Controversial, Old, and Q&A. Choose the sorting method you prefer as the new default. For example, you prefer to see the newest comments first, so tap on this new option. After that, you now have successfully changed the default comment sort on Reddit. Now, whenever you view comments, they will now be sorted according to your chosen preference by default. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change default comment sort on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change default comment sort on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.